guys, you can see there's 3 slots. There's one on the right, one in the middle, and one on the left side. And basically that's what the rubber bushing on the feet of the fan is going into. So it's basically like there's a rubber bushing on the fan itself. It's gonna go right in there. That's how you install it. All right, as you can see, this is the brand new, fan. So there's 2 screws on the top, and also there's basically like a feet. There's one there, 2 in the middle, and the 3rd one here. All right, that's what it's going to be look like doing right in like this, like that. You're gonna wiggle it in the same way we got it out. We just go through where the batteries first, and that's where you wanna insert it in there like that, and then hopefully will not cause any problem. Should not be, but you never know until you put them in. All right, let's go try it out. Alright, let's make our life a little easier. Take out the 2-bolt. From the control fan. I think it's the motor, like, okay. There's 2 there. Take out the wire harness. There's the wire harness here. Press that and pull. Then here, just press one on the back and pull. It's 2 of them. Hey guys, we got the fan in. Now I'm installing back the fan motor, which is held by 2 screws, and plug in the 3 wire harness. And a little tight, but it's okay. Just snap it in. So you got 2 already, wire harness in, and now this is the 3rd one. The biggest one is just to give the power of the motor, and it's attached to the car itself. So I think it comes from the battery. Just snap it in. There you go. Snapped in. Make sure it's tightly locked in, and we're good on that. And once you put the wire harness in, there's a clip right on the wire itself. There's a plastic clip. You want to snap it back into the hole. Basically holding the wire. Snap it on right there. Perfect. It's right in. Alright, next step, you want to put the coolant hose back. Just hold it there, snap it back on, and we're good. There you go. Snap back on, that's it. Next step we want to do is put the battery plate back on. So align the screws, hold, and screws it in. Guys, I'm going to put the plate back in the battery plate, but the screw, I just do it by hand right now. So I just want to make sure everything's in place by hand. You don't want to tighten anything yet. Just put all the screws in place, and then we can tighten after. So use your fingers to tighten it. Make sure all the screws properly goes in. Nice and easy. Next what I'm gonna do show you is to snap this metal piece clip back on. It's right here. Before we start putting anything else. Slide right there. Alright guys, basically installing is like a reversing, and when you uninstall, but you gotta go slow on it, and also try not to tighten anything yet. I mean, it's because you actually have to move around like plates and stuff like that, or everything else, like to basically use your hand, put the bolt in place first, and then once you have finished that, you can tighten it up. But that's what I did. But right now I'm gonna put some there's a clip here. I'm gonna snap it back on. Guys, we're almost done. Almost the last step here. We have to put the battery back in the bracket, and then sure the thing go properly, and we're tightening it up right now. There for that one. A little tight, but try not to strip it though. Go. This one here. Good. A little snug's fine. You don't want to strip it. Guys, this is it. The intake's going back in. 2 screws and we're all done. Finally, we're done. Go. Put it back in. Slide the hose back in. Here you go. And then the screw should be here. Last screw. Tighten my hand first. And then use the Phillip head to tighten it up. And we are good to go. Trying it out after. Alright guys, moment of truth. Please work. You don't want to remove the fan again, you know. Car start. It's a good sign. Turn on the AC. There you go. Nice and cool. It's great. No more sound. Did a good job. Thanks guys for following. Please don't forget to subscribe. 2 thumbs up. If you need something else that needs to be done, comment below. Please don't forget to check my other YouTube channel. There's like about 30 something videos in there on my channel, so welcome to check it out. Alright, take care. 2015 Nissan Pathfinder radiator fans replacement. We disconnect so many wire harness and replace a fan with a motor and everything. We want to make sure once you install it, you gotta test drive it, turn on the AC, and just test drive, make sure it's working properly, which is right now is very nice. Everything's functioning, and the AC is on, and the noise is completely gone. That's what our purpose was, changing the fan. Originally about 25 minutes or 30 minutes, the humming noise and rattling noise comes up with the fan and the bearing of the motor of the cooling fan. So we gotta try to get on the highway right now. That's what I'm heading to, the highway. Once about 25-30 minutes, hopefully the noises come up. Should not be, but we replace a whole brand new cooling fan, complete assembly, so we did not have to buy different parts and connect them together or anything. It's a whole piece of the cooling fan, so it should work properly. We just take it out and we put it back in. That's it. Should be okay. Should be fine. Hey guys, we're back from the highway. Everything running fine. No rattling noise. AC's running fine. I shut it off, turn it back on, so everything's good. Heading back home, and I'll call the customer, make sure that I can pick it up anytime tomorrow. All right. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll look at the camera right now. I'm driving, so we'll make sure thank you for your watching my video, and hopefully if you have not subscribed yet, please do so. Thanks for watching, guys. Tech Time with T. You take care. That is how you change cooling fan on 2015 Nissan Pathfinder. Peace out.